So we're done getting ready now, and I'm just gonna go to college, get my stuff done, and then come back home and study and just show you guys whatever I do. So let's go. So do you guys like this makeup look? It's pretty simple. I've just put on concealer and like no foundation and stuff. This is like my 5-minute makeup look. So in case you guys aren't subscribed to my main channel, I also have a main channel in case you guys didn't know, and it's called Malaika Nangya. I'm gonna leave it here and in the description box below. So if you aren't subscribed, go subscribe to that channel because I post a lot of videos there every day. So go subscribe there, and if you guys are interested in this makeup look, then do let me know. This is Tiffany's little hut, and she sleeps in my makeup table just below there, and she really likes sleeping here. My outfit of the day is this, and I just have this black spaghetti top inside, my Zara pants, my shoes, this denim shirt, and my sling bag. So that's what I look like today, and it's pretty simple. So I'm in the car now, and I have to go to my college. So I can't take you guys inside me, but I can show you inside with me. But I can show you my college from outside. So I'm gonna show you that, and I have to go submit my documents and give my ID card form and stuff. And then I'm gonna get back home. Today is Monday actually, but I didn't end up going to college because I have my exam on 28th. So it's just a 15 marks exam, but I have EVS and history. So I'm gonna tell you guys all of the subjects that I have. But for these 2 subjects I have written exams, and then the rest 4 subjects that I have 6 subjects in college. So the rest 4 subjects I have, I will have to give practicals. Like, not practicals, since the starting of the college they've made us do like a lot of work, and we had to preserve all of that, and if we didn't, we would have to remake everything and then submit it there. So that's what I have to do. Like, my mom's helping me, and we're making all of the things that we were supposed to make. So I was really sick before, and while my parents were in London, I didn't go to college for 15-20 days. So that's a lot, and like I missed a ton of work, so I couldn't complete anything alone because I was so sick. So I needed my mom's help, and now that she's back, we are sitting down every day and doing some work every day, so that by the time my submissions come, my work is gonna be complete. So yeah, that's why I took a holiday today, because we have our exams. So barely anybody would come to college anyway because they would be studying at home. So I did the same, and my friends did the same. We're all at home, and I am just going to college for like 15 minutes, and yeah, that's it. So basically they don't care if you come to college or not, so they won't even care if I've come or not, or like why I'm coming. So I just give my documents and go back home. They won't even care. So like in college it's not compulsory if you have to attend classes or not. It just depends on you whether you want to or not. But the attendance in my college is an issue. Like, you have to have 75% attendance at least. That's the minimum. So yeah, it's like the school system, because it's a private college, so they're a little strict. But like, you can get out of the college anytime you want, you can come anytime you want, you can bunk classes, just depends on you. But half of the time we don't have any classes, so like basically they just give us homework all the time, and we're supposed to do all of our homework. That's it. So there are no classes as such, at least till now. So we have a couple of classes, but most of the times the classes are cancelled. So yeah, that's it. And my college starts at 9 o'clock, and from 9 o'clock to 5:30 I have college. But most of the times we don't have any class, or either we bunk class, so I get home early. But yeah, that's like the time of my college, and twice in a week I have college at 11 o'clock. So that's pretty good. I don't have to wake up early. So yeah, that's like my entire college story, because you guys wanted to know about it, and you guys were pretty curious. Like, people on my main channel were pretty curious. So yeah, and earlier the name of this channel that you guys are currently watching me on was Malaika and Vansh, but we decided to change the name. It's still gonna be our channel, like Vansh and I's channel, but we decided to change the name because Vansh and Malaika was like a little difficult and a little bigger to type, so we changed it and made it Life Diary. So you guys can go subscribe here if you haven't subscribed already. went to college for an hour. I was about to go for 5 minutes and my teachers met me and they gave me a lot of work because I'm the class representative along with my really close friend in college. So she didn't come and I didn't come either. So they had a lot of work and they gave me all of the work to do. So it took me like an hour and I wasted an hour in college. So now I'm on my way back home and I'm gonna go home and do my work. So yeah. So I'm just walking back home. I told my driver to leave me on the ground floor and I'm just going towards my tower. And a lot of you guys asked me about my building, so this is what it looks like because I post a lot of videos and photos on Snapchat. So this is what it looks like. And yeah, I'm just getting inside my tower and going back home. So now I have to go home and do some work and then study, so I'm not excited about that at all.
Hello. Hi. Jeffrey. Hello. कहाँ जा रहा है? कहाँ जा रहा है? Hi. Hello. Jeffrey.
चलो घर चलो, चलो जल्दी घर चलो.
Hi. Hi, Tiffany. Hello.
So I just finished filming the whole house tour and the video is pretty long. It's about 30 minutes or maybe 25 minutes, so it's pretty long, but I hope you guys enjoy it. And I'm gonna leave the links down below to the home tour or house tour. You guys can go see it on my main channel and make sure you subscribe there. Hi guys, so now I'm currently down with Vansh. Vansh, say hi.
Hi.
And he's walking Tiffany. What are we doing today?
Just sitting.
That's it. Boring life today.
Yeah.
I have an idea.
I'm going to get a haircut done day after tomorrow.
You said today.
Yeah.
Then
but
what
today
happened?
I had to go home now. I
Why?
was late.
Hold it from there. I have an idea. Maybe कितने गंदे एंगल्स में पकड़ते हैं. Maybe we can give them a tour of Hamilton.
No.
What do you
I'm
think?
not going to walk so much.
Why not?
You can walk
We'll
and come
show
back.
them the down park, then we'll show them the badminton court and the basketball court and our sitting area. Why not? It's going to be fun ones.
No.
You're rude. Where is Samir today?
He's going to play football.
And when is he back? When is he back? No, don't zoom in. When is he back?
तेरे को क्या करना पता करके?
क्यों हम मिलते नहीं हैं उससे?
So
चल आज
so many
Domino's चलें.
stupid questions you ask.
आज डोमिनोज चलें. तूने कहा था हम आज जाएंगे.
Tiffany.
क्या कर रहा है तू? Oh, hello. No. मम्मा.
जब पूर्वा मलाइका वीडियो बना रही थी, पूरे पोजेस दे रही थी, कोई झगड़ा नहीं, कमरे में जा रही थी, बैठ रही थी. देखो मैंने इसकी कितनी फोटो खींची.
मम्मा हेलो बोलो.
हाय गाइस.
तू बोल.
गाइस. हाय गाइस. हाय गाइस. हाय गाइस. हाय गाइस. हाय गाइस.
खुद कोई काट दिया.
So I came home to these beauties from Amazon that I ordered. almost a month back, and one is this concealer and contour palette. So it has color correctors in this as well as highlighters and all sorts of contour and concealing palettes. Then I ordered these pink brushes that I again got from Amazon, and then these spoon brushes that I'm so excited about, and they look so good. I'm literally going to show you guys how much hair they have and how dense and thick they are. I'm just waiting to review them. So I told you guys about this, that I ordered a couple of brushes and like concealer palettes from Amazon, and you guys said that you wanted to see a review on these because these are pretty affordable. I've not spent over 1500 bucks on any of this, and you're getting around 10 to 12 brushes, so that's pretty good. Because nowadays brushes are pretty expensive, especially the spoon ones. Pack just released them for about 6,000 bucks, so that's pretty expensive, and I think I just got them for 900 or something, so that's pretty good and pretty cheap. So I'm really excited about this. Till now I haven't used them, I just came home to this. I just got them in the mail, but the quality of these brushes seems really good. I'm sorry, I can't speak. So this seems really good, and I really like them. So let's see how they work. I'm gonna try them on tomorrow and then film a review for you guys. So I'm really excited about that. I hope you guys are as excited as I am. And this palette was just for 290 bucks, so that's pretty good, and I'm really excited to use this. So let's see what happens tomorrow. So that's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, make sure you give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and my main channel. I just posted a room tour and a full house tour, so make sure you go see that. And I'm gonna leave my main channel links down below, and I'm gonna leave it here as well, just in case you want to go subscribe. It's called Malaika Nange. I'm gonna leave it right here, so you guys can go subscribe there and watch my videos every day. And that's it. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Underneath the palm trees, you can leave your worries. Listen to the